You're starting smart with the best conversation in the Valley. CBS 5 Morning News.
Hi, good morning, everybody. It is a Tech Tuesday. Our good buddy Brian Sheely is here, and already alerts out there. If anybody here at the station has seen his coffee, he's missing his coffee. I mean, you need that.
I don't know where it went
this morning.
Somewhere.
All right, we're talking about apps to keep your New Year's resolutions, just to continue them, to keep strong.
It's been a couple weeks. Yeah. We're probably all faltering on our promises to ourselves.
Yeah.
The first app is Workout Trainer by Skimple.
Here it is.
This is a really cool app. It's basically just a way for you to take your iPad and display, a bunch of different workouts that you can follow along with. And the cool thing is it's enabled with AirPlay, so if you have an Apple TV, you can display these workouts right to your television. And do your push-ups and do your sit-ups and all kinds of different workouts, all from your home. It's pretty cool. The app is free, so definitely check it out. So.
Nice. How about this to-do app?
Yeah, so this is called Wunderlist, and Wunderlist has actually been around for a little while, but this is the second version of the app. It's probably one of the best to-do apps out there right now because basically it's free, and they have services for Android and for iPhone and iPad, and then you can also use it right from the web.
Nice.
So you can access all of your to-dos wherever you're at. And it's really super simple to use, and you can customize the way it looks, and definitely cool. Plus, it's free, so I mean, you might as well just keep track of your information wherever you go.
You gotta love the free app here. And what's the next one here? Unstuck for the iPad?
This is Unstuck. Have you ever been, kind of stuck on a project at work, maybe, or kind of a mental roadblock or writer's block? This app is really cool. It basically helps you get unstuck, and so it asks you a bunch of questions. It kind of challenges you with some different ways of approaching a problem. So if you're working on a project and you're stuck, this is a great way to kind of help motivate you and get you past the roadblock.
All right, I used a calendar. It was a horse calendar, very popular. I'm now going digital. I'm now going digital here, and it's a new world for me, but this will help out.
Fantastical is one of my favorite apps. This app is $3.99, but it's available for the iPhone and for the Mac. And basically what it is, if you want to set up an appointment or something like that, all you have to do is talk to the phone in natural language, and it will set up the appointment for you. So rather than having to type in some complex date and find it and set up a meeting there, you can just say, I have a meeting next Thursday, set that up for me, and it'll do it right there for you on your phone. It's really simple, great way to keep track of all of your appointments and calendar items and things like that.
You sync up with your work computer,
absolutely,
even your iPad and
definitely
That's
cool.
great. All right, our final app.
Last one is Billminder. If you've ever had to remember pay a bill, this app is $2.99, and it will keep track of all of your bills, all of your payments that you have to make in one easy to use little program. Notify you with a push notification whenever you have a bill coming due. It's pretty easy to use.
I found your coffee.
Oh, thank you so much.
Enjoy. More of the CBS 5 Morning News will continue right after this. You can find out all these great apps that Brian Sheely put on there at CBS5AZ.com. Enjoy. You need to warm that up.
Yeah.
We'll be back.